The ongoing legal battle involving MAVADO'S son, who has been charged with the murder of 23-year-old Lorenzo Thomas, OC Israel, or Chulups, is getting progressively worse.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The latest development reveals that the 16-year-old has been accused of giving his co-accused, 24-year-old Andre Hines, the order to behead their victim. A witness statement given to the police alleges that MAVADO'S son directed that his victim head be cut off and reserved for the boss. Remember, the boss want him head, the juvenile allegedly said to Hines. The statement further alleged that Hines attempted to carry out the order, but only managed to partially sever Thomas's head. The teenager denied the allegations when he appeared in the corporate area criminal court on Wednesday, June 27th. The DJ's son has been remanded in custody until next week, Wednesday, July the 4th, when an application for bail, which began today, is to resume, according to his lawyer, Bert Samuels.
Yes, so the first opportunity for the juvenile to have had the opportunity to have a bail application heard was today. He's been in custody for 21 days. And ironically, the bail act says that within 24 hours, he should be in a position to take advantage of a bail application. We were unable to complete the bail application. It's part heard and to continue next week, Tuesday, the 3rd of July.
The juvenile, along with 23-year-old Andre Hines, have both been charged with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, arson, shooting with intent, and illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. Bert Samuels says that the juvenile is denying all allegations.
What really happened, he was in court with his grandmother because he's a juvenile, and he vehemently denies the allegation. We were at home, he was at home, he was not involved. But his name is being called because he's related to a certain DJ, and his name has been called. So the allegations, he has vehemently denied them in instructions to me, and we are prepared to put our defense in court.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.